I'm John P. Funk with the Cosmic Funk Studio, and I'm going to talk to you about how to make a toy robot. Shown here is a toy robot I'm making for my show, and this particular little bartender toy robot was made from different parts. The body was taken from a C-3PO Star Wars type of body. The head part was taken from different model kit pieces, and different detail pieces, taken from car models and what have you. You can make a toy robot out of anything, really. This particular one, though, does have motors inside of it and does articulate and animate, as you can see here. I use the remote control from a flying UFO toy that I got from Christmas that basically broke, and I took the electronics out of it and recycled them. The gearbox that's inside of the back of the robot was taken from a toy that I got at the Walgreens, which is called a Mars robot toy. And I reassembled the gearbox inside of the robot, and you can see how I use a Dremel tool to cut the plastic and do the different wiring and such. And be careful using super glue, because you want to glue some of the pieces together. And there's so many different ways on approaching making a toy robot, but basically you want to have fun assembling it. It wants to be you want it to be something that you're going to enjoy, and if your kids are playing with it, it's got to be safe. And the last thing is that you want it to look like a robot that does some kind of interesting function, like move and articulate or do something like that. You can even take apart a remote control car to make it roll around or move. You can take LEDs from different parts off. You can use LEDs from different toys to make the eyes light up if you'd like to. So there's hundreds of different ways you can make a robot toy.